With the new ChatGPT, you can ask the chatbot to complete your assignment, gist you about some interview questions, or even send emails to your clients. Rest assured your task will be done within the blink of an eye. Join us in this video as we look at the new ChatGPT updates and how they can be used. Let's get started. What is ChatGPT? A simple explanation for a newbie who just heard about ChatGPT and wondering what it does is that ChatGPT is the new magic in town. Don't take it literally, but looking at how the new ChatGPT update works, you won't be far from the truth if you call the AI system magic. ChatGPT is OpenAi's AI chatbot that allows users to engage in conversations about almost everything for quick and accurate responses. It is basically a platform that provides users with information that they would check on Google for answers. And the good thing is that it's free to access and very easy to use. You'll soon know how to find answers to all your worrying questions on OpenAi's ChatGPT. Keep watching. The ChatGPT platform has received very positive feedback ever since its release, which is not a surprise considering that OpenAI has a good track record of producing almost perfect AI services. An example is the famous DALL-E AI platform that creates images from mere texts. You can ask it to give you an idea of some of the weirdest images you can ever think of, and you can be sure that you'll get your perfect image in just the blink of an eye. From suggesting possible interviews to answering questions to even writing love songs for you, the ChatGPT can do almost everything. Let's look at some of the things ChatGPT can do. What can ChatGPT do? The ChatGPT has a wide range of abilities. The AI platform has been programmed based on information gathered from the internet up until 2021. This explains the platform's in-depth knowledge about almost all aspects of life. Users can engage in a dialogue with ChatGPT AI for answers about all their worrying questions. OpenAI even states that the dialogue format makes it possible for ChatGPT to answer follow-up questions, admit its mistakes, challenge incorrect premises, and reject inappropriate requests. This is just a glimpse of what the AI platform can do. But before we delve deeper into its capabilities, please subscribe to our channel. You can rely on us for all your first-hand information about artificial intelligence. Let's continue. The ChatGPT AI system performs functions that can range from education to customer satisfaction, to translating human languages and even coding. In terms of productivity, you can instruct the ChatGPT to send emails to your clients when you're busy, write letters to your company's board of directors, generate social media posts, and even suggest a list of possible interview questions, as well as writing a CV for you. Here's an example of Richard Colosi Media, a popular YouTube content creator asking the ChatGPT AI for possible interview questions. Students can also take advantage of the services of ChatGPT to find out more facts about history, learn new concepts, and even complete assignments. What is even more mind-blowing is the ChatGPT's ability to program games, write advanced codes, and even change the languages of programs thanks to OpenAI Codex. That is very impressive, I must say. ChatGPT always gets you covered when you are bored. It can script you the perfect role in an adventure game. If this is not impressive, then I don't know what else is. From these capabilities and several others, it is clearly evident that the ChatGPT has got the right answers for you no matter your age group or what your questions are. This is why some users believe it is more powerful than Google. Do you believe the same? Share what you think with us in the comments section below. Despite these impressive features of the ChatGPT AI, it has a number of shortcomings. We will talk about the limitations of OpenAI's ChatGPT soon. Don't go anywhere. How to use ChatGPT. As functional as it is, ChatGPT is very simple and easy to use. It takes only a few steps to access the super intelligent chatbot. First, you have to log in to http://chat.openai.com and create an account. You will find a notification informing you that the ChatGPT is a research program looking for external feedback from users to better improve the platform's services. Click on Next to view the ChatGPT main screen that gives some examples of its services, its capabilities, and some limitations. Just below that, you'll find a search bar where you can enter all your questions. This is where all the magic happens. After ChatGPT displays your search results, you will find a Try Again button that you can use to refresh the displayed search results in case you're not pleased. There is also a Reset Thread button at the upper left corner of the screen that you can use to erase your current chat dialogue for a new thread. Very simple and easy to use. Limitations. Despite the amazing capabilities of the ChatGPT, it has a number of downsides. First, it has a limited knowledge up until 2021. The ChatGPT functions with data gathered on the internet up till 2021. This means that asking for any information from the ChatGPT that goes beyond 2021 renders it useless. Again, ChatGPT cannot display some personal information about users, such as how users are feeling, users' names, or even how the ChatGPT itself is faring. The ChatGPT AI chatbot gives only one indication: the future of artificial intelligence is definitely bright. Talking about artificial intelligence, click on the link to watch our video about the future of robotics. There are some of the best robotics inventions coming up in 2023. Do check them out.